Hello everyone, this is Heitor from Brazil. I'm uploading this video to show you guys how to turn off VR on your Nikon D5300 or 5500 or 5600. This tutorial is for the cameras that have this ability to work with the AFP lenses. And the 5300 is one of those cameras from Nikon that you need to update your firmware before you can use the AFP lenses. I just bought this 10 to 20 millimeters AFP from Nikon. I'm very impressed with this lens. Before I was able to turn on and off the VR, I had to update my firmware, the firmware of the 5300. So I thought this tutorial would be interesting for you guys to show you how it works to update your firmware and then how to turn on and off your VR. Let's see if it's focused. Here you have your main menu and you see this shake hand here. See this little hand shows like shake. That tells you that your VR is on. Okay, the new AFP lenses they don't have switches on the lenses like for manual focus or anything. It's just the zoom ring and the focus ring. Okay, so you have to turn on and off these abilities on your main camera menu. So what you do, you go to your menu and you go to the setup menu. See, in firmware version you need to be sure to have this on your camera, C1.02 and L2.009. That's the newest firmware for the 5300. Okay, so what you need to do is you start in your playback menu, you press down once, go to shooting menu, and once you have your firmware updated, you should have this option, optical VR. Okay, so you click on it. Says right now it says on, right? So I press it to off. Now I'll go to the main menu and you see the little hand that showed shake. It's not there anymore, so the VR is off right now. Okay, so this option of VR off, it's interesting when you have the camera on a tripod. And to upgrade your firmware is very simple. You go to the Nikon website, transfer the file for the update to the SD, and then you need to go to the firmware. Let me show you. You go to the setup menu and then you have at the very end firmware version, and once you have the file on your card, you have an option here to update your firmware. I don't have that option because I'm already updated my firmware. So all you need to do is go and press the update firmware and you'll be done. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you like more videos in English like this one, you can leave a comment, and if you don't, if you want to practice Portuguese, I have many videos already in my channel, so feel free to watch them. Okay, thanks a lot for your attention and see you in the next one.